Yeah. I think it's going to be doable here. See where this is?
Yeah.
I think that's the bridge right there underneath. See?
Whoops.
See right there?
Yeah.
I think it just goes down. I mean, I don't really see this being Oh.
The oldest is always first.
Yeah. Oh, well, no work.
Was there a lost child somewhere here?
Adventure clothes up here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whoa! What up?
What?
It's off.
Places you wouldn't expect to find yourself. That's underneath a concrete bridge with your brother. At least in a bomb living underneath here. Oh, that's muddy.
Yeah, it's close enough for it. Well, what it could be, oh no, I think it's a picture of Satan. It's actually upside down penis.
I caught it.
Yeah, we're going to have to clean our shoes. Oh.
Here's a dry spot right here.
These are my good boots, too. Rosa, did you die trying to save your baby, or did you want to after your baby and bit and breed? Last question I'd like to ask is it okay that we're trying to communicate with you? If it is okay, would you want us to come back and communicate with you again? Go for about 2 or 3 minutes, and if there's any ferrets out there, for Tarosa, if you're out here, I'm going to hook up a device where I can hear you in a day or two. It's a little black box here in my hand. So my wife will here in a minute. You can see it. If you'd like to communicate, try to use the energy surrounding us and in the water. And if you need to, use some of my energy. And communicate with us into this black box. We'd enjoy and appreciate hearing from you. really hope that the light would go on for no reason.
Rosa, if I get another picture of my brother right down there, can you fill the camera screen with all of your energy?
Today, I want to kind of wait until the light goes off. I really could do a ladybug test because I don't have the ladybug. But I want to make sure it's not my light. Okay, so Rosa, if you are trying to contact us, please do not do so while I'm conducting this test. Okay. Rosa, if you are there, or if there is another trying to contact us, please turn on right. Step right here on the light on the ground. You know, there's just another problem we might have, is we might not get in our chance tonight. They can only expend so much energy.
Right. Rosa, can you use energy from us to make light go off? Can you still have our energy?
Yeah. Please, if you can use some of my energy to make the step on the ground where this light is shining, we greatly appreciate your effort. I think if she's done fine.
Yep.
Picture. Red picture. Now we'll go and see the picture. Shit, no bugs.
I got a pretty good, decent orb in front of you.
Rosa or any other spirits here, please speak on
Right as I said, I got a decent orb in front of you.
Yeah.
That's another picture. The whole screen was filled full of orbs and bugs, and I got really cold all of a sudden.
Just now, you notice I stopped the paper, I turned it back on. I would just like to say that if there are spirits in this area, my brother, I would like to thank you for letting us come here and investigate your presence. We hope that you made attempts to communicate with them, and we hope that you find peace to move on from the place. And with wherever you are, peace, happiness. Thank you, and good night. Okay, this thing keeps going on.